So the thing I want to do now is Dubb Narrator. Dubb Narrator is a great way to add videos to your social media account, in particular YouTube, because it has a really neat function on there that controls the border of what you're recording. So here is how you'd use Dubb Narrator in that capacity for something like YouTube. So let me share my screen here, and here is how we would do this. We would open up the Dubb desktop app that we were looking at earlier, and we're going to go to the View Quick menu. And again, we're going to go to Dubb Narrator right here. Okay. Now, the narrator part of this gives you the ability to pre-record a video and play a video you already have recorded inside the bubble. So you do not have to do it live. Now, what does that mean? Well, in a YouTube sense, this is what it would be. So if I selected this button here, narrator video, it's going to take me right inside my video library. I'm going to go in here. I'm going to put narrator in because I have them saved under here. And let's grab this one right here. There we go. Now imagine if I had a video pulled up behind me, or I had a screenshot, or I had a certain part of a website. This is great because it's pre-recorded. I recorded the stuff to my webcam. I used the teleprompter, said everything the way I want to say it. And now I'm just putting it on whatever I want the background to be. So I don't have to multitask. So for YouTube specifically, I would come down here to the drop-down menu and 16 by 9 landscape, YouTube. So it's perfectly formatted for that. So again, I put this on top of a video behind me, article, website, whatever it is. I hit record, and then this is what this would be like.
Hi, it's Rob from Dubb, the video and AI sales platform.
No, so you'd have that playing behind you, and again, you don't have to do anything except hit record and point things out with the annotation tool if you want to, and then all you have to do is save this video inside of Dubb, right? You hit the check mark here. There's the clip. It's going to be showing. Oh, it's taking a little time, but anyway, you save this into Dubb, right? And when you save it into the Dubb platform, what happens is right inside here, there's a little button right down here. It says upload to YouTube. So when you have that set up, you upload it into your YouTube channel and then you publish it. So if I did that here, I click here, I'm going to just do Dubb support, give the video a title, add a description, make it public or private. You have a little status down here, unlisted if you want to, and then click upload. And that's all you have to do. That's how you use Dubb Narrator if you want to use it for your YouTube channel and how to use it. Now, what does the final product look like? Well, it could look something like this. Right in here. This right here. So this video that I recorded, I used the Dubb Narrator feature, recorded it beforehand, and this would be an example of a YouTube video. And this is just some drone footage here that's happening, but this is exactly how you'd use Dubb Narrator for your YouTube content. It's really easy. Now, as far as social media, this is pretty neat. So over here on LinkedIn, I'm going to show you this post right here. This one here, this one I did with Dubb Narrator, just with the Dubb tech.
Coach for
So this is an example of using Dubb Narrator from the desktop app to do a social post. Now, how did I do that? Well, me inside the bubble here, I recorded it beforehand. I recorded it directly to webcam, used the teleprompter, delivered my content because again, Dubb Narrator plays pre-recorded videos. All I did was find an image. I used ChatGPT, pulled a little image up there, grabbed the image just like this, had it pulled up, and then I opened Dubb Narrator like this, record narrator video, find my video. I'm going to grab this one right here. Let's just grab this one. Maybe that one's good. And then all I have to do, there's my video. And then all I have to do is do the proper orientation. So again, down here for Dubb Narrator, click 9 by 16. That's the social media framework right there. That's the frame. And then what I can do is I can take this like this. There we go. It's in there. And then I just add myself in right at the top. And then I hit record, just as an example, hit record.
Welcome into this video on how to upload a video from your Dubb account to your YouTube account. If you haven't added your YouTube account,
And then just hit the check mark. That's it. There it is. And then you just upload it into Dubb. and then you follow the process of the social media platforms, download the MP4 version of the video, follow their guidelines, upload it into the platform, and always make sure that you say, click the button below if you want to learn more. Because if we look at that post right here, below here, there's a pinned comment with a Dubb link. So that really puts it all together. Dubb Narrator is great for social stuff. Pre-record the video inside the bubble, use the 9:16 format for the border, have something to put it on top of, upload it into LinkedIn in this case, but it could be any social platform, and have a link below that someone can click on so they can learn more. And that's how you use Dubb Narrator for social videos.